My vrou, my eyster, jy lyk ongelooflik mooi vanaand. Ek is ongelooflik trots.
My man, ek wil uit die diepte van my hart vanaand vir jou dankie sê. Ek dink die woorde van Herman Kleinenhans som dit alles mooi op. Letterlik dankie vir al die duisende dinge. Maar die grootste dankie wat jy verdien is, dankie dat jy my gekies het.
Mense vra my wat het vanmiddag deur my kop gegaan toe jy daar vanmiddag afgeloop het en ek dink die eerste beste woord ek is trots.
Al het ons baie vir 2 jaar geskei, het jy nooit ophou fight vir my nie. En daarvoor kan ek net die Here dank dat hy 'n man oor my pad gestuur het wat die grond aanbid waarop ek loop. Dankie dat jy my beste maatjie en my grootste supporter nog altyd was.
Dankie dat jy gekies het om agter my te staan, dankie dat jy elke dag bly kies om agter my te staan. Ek sien 'n wonderlike toekoms vir ons vorentoe. Baie lief vir jou my vrou.
Ek sien uit vir 'n leeftyd saam met jou en kan nie wag vir wat die Here vir my in jou toekoms beplan nie. Ek is lief vir jou, my eyster.
When we came home, worn to the bones, I told myself this could get rough. And when I was off, which happened a lot, you came to me and said that.
Mag julle altyd glo dat die persoon wie jy vandag gekies het, die heel beste persoon vir jou is. Mag julle altyd bid vir mekaar en saam met mekaar. En mag God altyd die middelpunt van julle huwelik wees. Ek is baie lief vir julle.
So I'll give the lights and you lock the door. We ain't leaving this room till we both feel more. Don't walk away, don't roll your eyes. But say love is pain, well darling, let's hug tonight. When you came home, worn to the bone, I told myself that this could get rough.
Pieter Johanay, liefde is 'n krag groter as enigiets in die wêreld, want dit kan nie gesien word, maar dit kan jou wel transformeer in 'n oomblik en dit bied jou meer geluk as enige materialistiese besittings wat jy ooit in jou lewe sal hê.
I'll hit the lights and you lock the door. Tell me all of the things that you couldn't before. Don't walk away, don't roll your eyes. Say love is pain, well darling, let's hug tonight. If this love is pain, then darling, let's hug no tonight. So you get the lights and I'll lock the doors. Let's say all of the things that we couldn't before. Won't walk away, won't roll my eyes. Say love is pain, well darling, let's hurt tonight. If this love is pain, then honey, let's love tonight. colors fading, 'cause I kept you waiting. It's a wild, wild world, and you're a wild, wild girl. Our sun's still shining, but it seems half the size, and it's a wild, wild world out here. Before my time runs out, what if I run away to Mars? Would you find me in the stars? Would you miss me in the end if I run out of oxygen when I run away to Mars? I can't tell which way's home. I've been gone for so long, it's an empty world up here. I skip stones and wonder how long till I'm discovered. It's a quiet life up here. Before my time runs out, what if I run away to Mars? Would you find me in the stars? Would you miss me in the end if I
100%.
when I run away to Mars? 3, 2, 1, I miss you. What if I run away to Mars? Would you find me in the stars? Would you miss me in the end if I run out of oxygen when I run away to Mars? We could take a photo, eternalize this moment for the days when I don't believe, when our love gets stolen, 'cause there's no exception. And I know time will take you far from me. Let this night invade my lungs, you're all I wanna breathe. Right beside the lake, I burn for you, you burn for me. So kiss me the way that you would if we died tonight. Hold me the way that you would for the final time. Whatever may come somewhere deep inside, there's always this version of you and I. So just kiss me the way that you would if we died tonight. If we died tonight. All the deepest secrets, all the darkest moments, oh, I promise they'll be safe with me. We've all been broken, there's no exception, but you carry it so gracefully. Let this night invade my lungs, you're all I want to breathe. Right beside the lake, I burn for you, you burn for me. So kiss me the way that you would if we died tonight. Hold me the way that you would for the final time, yeah.
gee so om vir alles en almal om haar en is amazing om haar 'n vriendin te noem. Dankie Johanna dat jy in Pieter se lewe gekom het, want dit het ons almal se lewens net verbeter. Julle twee met julle feisty persoonlikhede wat albei so loyaal is teenoor almal met 'n geaardheid van beskerming en baie vriende is 'n match made in heaven. Mag julle net liefde en geluk aanvaar in julle nuwe lewe saam as getroudes. Ons klink 'n glasie op Pieter en Johanna.
So I let this night in my lungs, you're all that I wanna breathe. Right beside you down at the lake, I burn for you, burn for me. So kiss me the way that you would if we